Hello there, this is Software Sensei, and welcome back to a 2025 video on where I am still demonstrating on JavaScript videos. So stay tuned for more. Okay, so in my last video, I demonstrated on what variables are as a definition and how to define variables. We use let, const, and var, and the declarations in the variables. So we did a bunch of examples on the let function and using x as a variable and the value as 100. And we did a lot of statements, so as Boolean variables, values, and use the sentence as an example of a message using $sign and a variable inside with a string. If you want to get a recap on what variables are, go check out my other videos to understand what those mean with the variables, declarations, assignments, strings, and Boolean variables as well. Okay, so right, let's create a h1 tag displaying h1 and let's create a ID. h1 equals to ID and let's put name. So display name here and we'll use the JavaScript variable here. So let's get rid of this and let's create document dot get element by ID. So hopefully you remember this command. So get element by ID is where you want to get the variable, so the class here in the HTML frame, and the document and the element is just from this bit of the element here. So document.get element by ID, we would use the parentheses and put name dot. Let's use inner HTML, and then let's display this one as by my name. So before we put our variable, we have to use the let variable. So let my name equals to John. Cool. And now the variable has been now displayed in the front end of the web page. So John has been now displayed. Cool. So let's display paragraph text. So paragraph text, the p tag, and statement. Let's put let my age equals to 30. Always end with semicolons, of course, as part of the plan. So let's put age this time on the ID as the unique identifier that could be used for CSS or styling. This time I reuse JavaScript, so we use get element by ID as a demo. Let's put document, same thing here, so document dot get element by ID, and we'll display this one on the parentheses age dot inner HTML equals to my age. Cool. Age should display here. Cool. Now the age has now been displayed as 30. Okay, let's make the same clear font size. So let's put as a H2 tag and this bit here H2. Cool. Now the age and the name has been displayed. Let's now display this one as a sentence. So let my email, actually let's display this one as email. We'll put this one as John 23 at example.com, so it's not realistic. Okay, and we'll display this one, same bit here. So email, HID email. So this is the email that's been displayed. Now let's display this one as a the literal sentence using a string. So let's display this one using backticks, and display your name is, and using the $sign and both curly braces, display this one as my name. Okay, cool. Now this one here display as your name is John, and let's replace this one using the string variable and put your age is my age as the variable here, and close the tag. I think here it is. Cool. And now display as your age is 30. Actually, you know what? Years old to make it sense. Yeah, your age is 30 years old. And email, let's display this. Let's create another variable. So let my city equals to let's say London, of course, and then document, and would display this one as document dot get element by ID, and in city in the parentheses, and the sentence here in the string literal. So as this is as a sentence here, and the variable here inside. Cool. And then let's display this one as city as well in the h2 ID, and just call it city. Cool. So this is the string literal, and let's use a boolean variable. So let's define whether if he is accountable to drive the car. So let's put drive license. Let's see if he has a driving license. True. Because we use the boolean variable to define whether this person has a driving license or not. So let's put document dot get element by ID, and then drive license, and as well as the sentence in the HTML. Okay, so this is the inner HTML, and I display this one as do you have a driving license? Okay, and then it will show whether if the person has a driving license or not. So I put display as true because obviously this is an example. Of course, he's 30 years old. He has a driving license, but this one here we use a boolean variable to define the true and false. So let's copy this string here. So driving license. As it shows and displays this one as do you have a driving license? It said true. So if I put false, it will display it as false. So you don't have a driving license, it will display as false. So this is how you display the JavaScript by using the HTML preference. and as well as different sentences to display the variable and the string and boolean by using the literal sentences. This is it. I'm going to conclude this video. Make sure to hit a like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. I'll upload more JS content for you guys. This is your boy Software Sensei. I'm out. Peace.